going after this system here now. It's a huge, huge wall cloud, a lot of upward motion on it. It's kicking butt up here. I affirm that we'll be having, yeah, it's a gigantic wall cloud. Look at this thing. All right. Whoa, hello, hello, hello. This may be the best spot yet for watching this. There we go. It's dancing. Look at it dance. Wow. That's unbelievable. It's like a pirouette or a waltz. Man, it's unbelievable. See what we can do. Let's see how close we can get to this puppy. And stay safe. Look at that thing. Amazing. This guy in front of me is going really slow. Let's see what it does. It's rotating, but let's see here. It's really rolling. There's some hills in the way, so we're going to pull over. All right, super. Oh, nice little funnel. Nice little funnel. It looks like a tornado on the ground. There it is, there it is, there it is. Kicking butt. Just go with it. Junction 412. That's it. Looks like it's on the ground. We're going east, if we can, if they'll let us. Man, what a traffic jam. Good golly, Miss Smalley here. You've blocked